It's right. It's not falling. It's honestly, if you're planning on buying this thing, don't buy it yet until you watch this video. So my wife went ahead and bought me this suction backing thing for my phone. We're gonna test it out today if it's good or if it's bad. This is my iPhone right here. So I'm gonna place it back here, and I guess that's it. Oh no, it's my OCD's kicking in. Gotta be censored. So let's censor it for a little bit. So this is the glass case right here. This is glass right here. So let's put it on there. Well, the case has to be clean because this is dirty. It's been sitting down here for a minute. This is a great test as well. What if the case gets this dirty? Or what if this suction pad gets this dirty, as you can see? So we're gonna clean it off, because obviously when you're out and about, you're not gonna have a soap and water. Let's clean this off. Let's put it on another one. This is when Ruby and I got married 20 years ago. So let's say you're about to go do a dance or a talking head video, and you just put it on there. I don't want to cover my wife there, but for experiment's sake, yes, even if the suction cups are a bit dirty, it will still stick. Now you got to put a little bit of firm pressure on there. Now, as you can see, like it's right. It's not falling. It's honestly, for my phone's sake, if this thing goes, it's gonna go. But check it out. Not going, but as you can see, it is moving. I don't know if you see the angle of the phone. It is moving. So yeah, I mean, nothing's gonna be vigorously shaking like that for the most part. But just be careful. The suction on the phone might not adhere as well as you want it. Let me see. It'll come off like that. So be careful. Now we're gonna put this particular suction pad thing. We're gonna put it on there. I'm gonna try to talk and play around talk for a little minute. Now, I try to put it as hard as I can without breaking the glass, obviously. But this would be the same shot for this particular section right here. And at the moment I've been talking for a minute and almost a half now. This mount is working perfectly the way it should be. This is pretty cool, hands-free. You can kind of think, I can already see what you would do for like business videos, B-roll videos, but yeah. Now, I don't know if you want a shiny background or a shiny backing to your case. Maybe it works that way. My wife has a case with all these rhinestones. Probably not gonna work, but it should be flat, should be probably a bit glossy, I would like to say. That's my little review on this particular suction back pad thing for phones. I think it's great. With that said, hope you like that little review. Whether you consider buying it or not, the link's going to be down below. Take care and God bless.